Hey, what's up guys? It's Trevor with Embers Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. Today we just got delivered Napoleon's new Trivista electric fireplace. So what we're going to do is unbox it. I'm going to give you my initial impressions. I haven't really seen this. I've seen this at a trade show, but I haven't been up close with this guy yet. So I'm curious to take this out of the box, give you my initial impressions. Of course, we're in our electric fireplace room in our Westminster, Colorado showroom. And then I'm going to do a video of a side-by-side comparison between that and the Allure Vision. So stay tuned for that video as well. But first things first, let's get this out of the box and let's get some initial. Okay, so we got it out of the box. Obviously not done putting it together. Want to give you a couple initial thoughts after seeing it. First thing that jumps out at me is going to be the taller viewing window. So we are at 16 and a half here. So visually it's going to give us a taller window than a lot of the fireplaces out there. And again, this is the 60-inch model. And then what's really cool is it's a single-sided unit, but if we wanted to open up an end, it looks like all we have to do is pop off these screws and we're going to be in business. Okay, so we got that finishing plate off. So now we have an open corner unit, which we can do as a two-sided or a three-sided unit. And then we do have our birch logs with our glass media. So let's finish putting it together. But yeah, initial thoughts are is it gives us a nice big viewing area. A lot of reflection, which is sort of a risk reward, I think, with electric fireplaces because we run the risk of a lot of reflection, but also the reflection makes the flame look a lot better. And then really nice clean lines. So it looks like our finishing material, let's say this was a piece of tile or something, it's gonna go nice and tight right here. So we're not gonna have almost any metal showing at all, which is one of the big selling features with this guy, is that nice clean design. So let's finish trimming it out. Okay, so we got it set up and we got it put together. You can see we did sort of the ice chunks with the birch white logs. A lot of very similar features to the Allure Vision. And again, we're going to do a separate video between the two. But there are some key differences and I want to go over what I like about it. So the main thing with the Trivista is, again, the clean face design. We're going to have little to no black metal showing, just a little bit of this recess here because the glass is recessed, but that's it. Because it's deeper, we get a deeper ember bed. So you can see we get a lot of bright lights. I have the ember bed on a rotation, so you can see it's rotating through different color combinations. You can have it fixed on a color that you like, or you can have it constantly rotating. It does have a mood light, so I'll toggle through some of the differences. There it's off, and then toggle through different colors there. And then as far as our flame goes, what's really cool with the flame is I do see some differences here. And one of the key differences that I'm seeing is it sort of tapers. So it's going to be high in the center and low on the left and right. At first I wasn't sure how I thought about that, but I actually think it looks pretty good. And then, of course, Napoleon gives us three colors. They sort of have a yellow, orange, red, and blue flame color, and you can mess with those how you like them. And then also they do flame speeds, so you can speed up the flame. You have it going really fast like that, or now it's like more of like a hazy sort of low flame feature as well. So I'm going to give you some close-ups, but the one thing, and I think this is going to change, but one thing I'm not crazy about is it only comes in a 50 and a 60 inch. So this is a 60 inch here. I would assume if this product does well, they're gonna come in smaller and larger sizes, but 50 and 60 inch is the most popular size, so that's what we got to work with. But overall, I do think it adds nicely to their product line, gives a true built-in clean face design, which Napoleon was sort of missing. So stay tuned for the video that I'm going to do against it versus the Allure Vision and talk about some of the key differences between the two and why you would shop for one over the other. So thanks so much for checking out this video. Again, we're in the Westminster, Colorado area. If you want to come see these products in person in our showroom, you can call or text our staff at 303-800-5659. Or you can check out all these products on our website at www.embersliving.com. Thanks so much. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to our channel today, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos.